This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Mary Tenka. Wonderfully cared for home in the desirable Germantown Park. This home overlooks the trees and common space. Seller has made major improvements throughout ownership. Most recent in 2019, new windows, new sliding glass door, new front door and new storm door. Complete repair and painting of the exterior wood trim. There are granite countertops in the kitchen. Hardwood flooring on the main level and brand new carpet on the upper level. Tastefully painted neutral colors throughout the home. Master has a large closet. Full-size stacked washer/dryer convey. This home is a MUSTC. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Tenka at 301-963-78.